What's up, peeps? It's Today Live and I am back with another video. If you see my previous video, you know I did a big chop about 2 months ago, and this video is just derived from that. I did a finger coil right before I put these braids in my hair, and the finger coil lasted about 1 or 2 days, and then I just needed something that was gonna last longer. As well as with short hair, it's too much time to try to do like my hair and have Zaire. Yeah, see, say it's too much. It's too much? What was mommy doing? Hair. This video is just me doing finger coils. So if you guys want to see me put those finger coils in my hair, just continue to watch. As you guys can see, I've already started my finger coils from the front and the back, and it's a lot easier off camera. What I'm doing here is finger parting my hair. I usually use my finger for all parts. I am just gonna part it, spray it with some water, as well as rake my finger through each section of the hair and grab a little bit of product and wrap it around my finger until the curl coils at the end. I'm just gonna keep continually doing that throughout my whole head and process. I spray a lot of water just to keep my hair moisturized as well as hydrated throughout this entire process. As you guys can see, I am sectioning my hair with my finger, and I am parting at a diagonal just because I like for my coils and my braids to fall towards my face rather than doing a straight part and they fall down toward the side of your face. I am still using a lot of water for each section of my hair and applying product to the ends just to make sure it stays moisturized as well as slippery. The front of my hair is still a little bit damaged even after the big chop. As you guys can see, it's the coils or the hair in that section is just not going to coil or curl up as much as it should. The second one is going to look super bouncy and coily and just hydrated rather than the first one. Y'all, these coils are on point. They are super juicy and hydrated. As you guys can see, I am completely overdoing finger coils. My facial expression is telling it all. It took me about 2 or 3 hours to do my entire hair like this. I do have a 7-month-old, so it does take a little bit more time because I have to tell him in Kevin Hart's voice, no, stop, don't do it. But I am glad that I actually achieved this and finished it, and now I know my braids are going to come out super cute, as you guys seen before.